Hello, this is a propeller project that controls the speed of different colors of a red, green, blue LED light using the propeller chip and these two buttons. This button speeds up the flashing rate and this one slows it down. The third one doesn't do anything in this case. So right now it's at the slowest rate that it spins at, or that it blinks at, and as you push the button to speed it up, it just cycles through the colors more quickly. And then if I speed it up even more, it goes faster, and eventually, right here, it reaches the point where it's blinking between the colors so quickly that with our persistence of vision we perceive simply a bright white LED light. And then I can slow them back down by pushing the other button, and then we get the colors again at a slower rate. There's a common leg for this light that goes to 5 volts, and the others legs are controlling ground, and the propeller chip is actually making more than just 3 colors, so there are various combinations so that there are cycling at least 6 colors. And there you have it, using the Parallax propeller chip. This is the propeller demo board.